Hi everybody, this is Jesse from Glass Crafters. I'm here to share with you today a new product. Studio Pro has put out a table lamp kit. So lots of people have wanted to get into constructing stained glass lampshades. However, the process can be very laborious, intensive, and you may not feel comfortable. So a panel lamp, rather than a dome lamp, has 4 sides, and you construct a stained glass panel or even a single piece of glass to put into each part. Studio Pro has put out this kit that includes the base and the hardware and basically a frame for the shade to make it as easy as possible for you to make your own lampshade. So here we're going to open up this box. This is the first one we've gotten, and we're going to put it on our website and on sale for a limited time. So first, nice sturdy layer of foam. I'm going to get that out of the way. Then we have the instructions, very important. Then this is the framework, I can see, so that you have a method here to slide your glass panels right into here and clip them in place. And it'll hold them in place. That's pretty nice. It's pretty sturdy. Not the most ornate. Next here, oh, this is nice. This is a lamp base. I can see people buying this just to get the base and use it for another project. So this is our lamp base, sturdy riveted construction, metal. It has an S-shaped light holder for two bulbs for a brighter lamp, individual pull chains. So that's nice. Next we have some hardware, some screws for various things. We have, this is a rod for extending the lampshade so that it rises up higher and doesn't, click into the light bulbs. And we have a cap. We call this a cap. It sits on top of the lampshade to make it more decorative. You screw it in when you're all done. Looks pretty nice. Same pattern as the base with this little hammered metal look. And that's it. So it's everything you need. It's everything you need, nice and simple, to construct your own lamp at home. They say that on their website, once you purchase it, there are patterns for multiple different patterns you can put into here, or it shows examples where you just pick one particularly beautiful piece of glass and cut it to fit. So it's a great little kit. I look forward to trying it out, and I hope you do too.